Alright, so you guys made your way to the dual PC setup video for the audio portion. So let's go ahead and walk you guys through it. Like I said in the previous video, this is just for your ears to hear. This will not be going to your Elgato, so don't be worrying about that. You want to make sure that this ear is turned blue or light blue. So with all that being said, we're going to go ahead and make the stream audio mix and press add mix right here. You guys can name it whatever you want. For me, because I like to be very specific, I'm going to name it stream mix. And go ahead into the audio output. Make sure that your capture card is all connected to your gaming PC or your main one where you're sending the output to. Press add output and you want to select your capture card, which for me, it's going to be my HD60X. Go and press close window. So now what you have to do is if you have your microphone on your gaming PC or your first computer, whatever it might be, you want to make sure that you create a channel and you add your microphone into it. You will not be adding your microphone into your personal mix because then you will be hearing yourself, and I'm pretty sure that will be driving you crazy. You want to add your microphone to your stream mix only. You want to add that and whatever else you want to transfer over to your stream audio. Now, you may also be questioning, what if I have Spotify playing in the background? And if it's on my personal mix, will it go through my stream mix? Well, the quick answer is no, it's not going to be going through that whatsoever. It will only be the outputs that you add onto your streaming mix or your recording mix, whatever it may be. So if you want to be safe, you could add different channels. At the moment, Elgato Wave Link supports up to 8 channels on here. So try to be selective of what you add as of right now. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and throw this in. So if you guys have multiple games that you want to pick up and you guys can't select specific ones that you want on your main mix or your main channels, you could go ahead and actually group them together. So you could do First Light, for example. If you want to add more games into here, you could click on First Light or whatever game of your choice. Go ahead and press Add App. So for me, I'm going to do Overwatch. Add that into there and go up to the title. You can rename this to whatever you want. For me, I'm just going to put games like I just did and press close window. And there you have it. It is very simple. I figured I'd throw this in as well. I did just a couple minutes ago add like a lot of apps into this group, and you could add more than 8 apps if you want to. I don't know the limit. I don't have all day to test that personally. So if you guys want to mess with that, go for it. Other than that, enjoy the rest of the video. Alright, so let's go ahead over to the streaming PC and I will show you guys that the audio is going through over there. Alright, so let's go ahead and go get the Elgato audio over to the streaming PC. So how we're going to do that is go ahead and press this plus button right here, add source. I'm going to do video capture device, name it whatever you want. I already have the source, so I'm going to press add existing, press OK, full screen that, get this out of the way. So once you have your Elgato source added, your video capture device source, you're going to see your Elgato audio source right here. For me, mine is muted because my headset is currently on, but it's on mute and I don't want this audio to echo. Other than that, that is practically everything that you guys need. I'll go ahead and mute this HyperX mic just to show that the Elgato audio is going to go through to my streaming PC. Okay, so as you guys can see, I unmuted my mic just to also visually show you. I'm going to go ahead and move the Elgato capture up. And on my gaming PC, this is the stream mix that I showed you guys how to set up. This is me talking through it. Now, if I press this, you will not be able to hear me. So I'm going to be talking over here. You'll notice that I'm talking. This won't pick it up. You could also turn this down. You could also leave it all the way up. It all depends what you guys like. You could control it from your gaming PC, or you could control it on your streaming PC. You just drag this up or down. It is that simple. I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comment section down below. I will try to get back to you as soon as I possibly can. Other than that, I hope you guys have a good rest of your day or night. Stay safe, subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.